And next topic is priority encoder. Okay, in this priority encoder, it is a combinational circuit. Already you learn the encoder and decoder, and this is the difference from the encoders and decoders. Coming to the priority encoder, here it includes the priority functions. Okay, if first see the priority encoder block diagram. Block diagram of priority encoder. Okay, in this also the inputs are 2 power of n number of the inputs and produces the n number of outputs A0, A1 up to An, and this is D0, Dn. Okay, this is the 2 power of n number of inputs and produces the n number of outputs. This is the priority encoder. In difference between the priority encoder and encoder. Here, coming to the priority encoder, the priority is given the low to high, low priority to high priority. If 2 or more inputs are 1 at the same time, we can consider the low priority is considered, that is low to high priority. Coming to the now I will explain the 4/2 priority encoder. Okay, first we see the truth table for the 4/2 encoder. First, block diagram of 4/2 priority encoder. In this 4 inputs, 2 outputs. In this 4 inputs, 2 outputs. Okay. Four inputs are I0, I1, I2 and I3, and outputs are 2 outputs. They are Y0, Y1. This is the 4/2 priority encoder. Okay, this is the block diagram. 4 inputs, 2 outputs. Okay, here the priority is considered low to high, that is I0 to I3. And next see the truth table for the 4/2 priority encoder. And next see the truth table for 4/2 priority encoder. Here I3 to I0 and Y0 and Y1 are the outputs. Here the inputs are all 0, then the output is does not occur. Okay. And next case, the preference is, the priority is I0. I0 is input and next remaining all are zeros. In this case, the output is 0, 0. And next priority is I1. I1, this is don't care condition. This is 0, 1. And next priority is I2. And this is don't care. And this case output is I2, binary number is 1, 0. And next preference is I2. Okay. And this case, next preference is I3. And this case, these are the don't care condition. I3 is the input, then output is 1, 1. Okay. Next draw the K map for I0. Here we are using the 4 inputs. Draw the 16 cell K map. And this is I3, I2, I1, I0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, here I3 is 0, I2 is 0, I1 is 0, I0 is 0. In this case, first we draw the K map for Y0. These outputs, and here I3 to I0 inputs are 0, then output is X. And next I3 is 0, I2 is 0. We consider this I2 is 0, I3 is also 0. And next I1 is 0, I1 is 0. And next I0 is 1. So in this case output is 0. And next I3 is 0, I2 is 0. I3 is 0, I2 is 0. And next I1 is 1. I1 is 1. Okay, and I0 is don't care. Don't care means don't care SNZ 0, either 0 or 1. In this case, both two cells are SNZ zeros. And next I3 is 0, I2 is 1. I3 is 0, I2 is 1. Okay, observe this row. And next I1 is X, I0 is also X. So all possibilities is there. So this row is filled with 1. Okay, and next I3 is 1. I3 is 1. These two rows I2, I0, I1. These all possibilities are either 0, 0 or 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. In this case, all cells are filled with 1. How to grouping here? This is first group. In this, what is the equation here? I2, I3, I2, I3, I2 bar. This is common, this is I3. And next group is, and this is considering second group. In this case 0, 1, 1, 1. 1 is the common variable, that is I2. What is the equation for Y0? Y0 equal to, first equation is I3 plus I2. This is the Boolean equation. And next Y output. K map for Y1. Okay. And next K map for Y1. We draw the K map for Y1. Draw the 16 cell K map. Okay, and this is I3, I2, I1, I0. This cell is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, in Y1 outputs appears at, all of you observe these outputs. Okay, in this case I3 to I0 are zeros, 0 inputs. What is the output here? X. So I2 is 0, I3 is also 0, and I1, I0 is also 0. What is the output here? X. And second, I3 is 0, I2 is 0. I3 is 0, I2 is also 0. And next, I1 0, I0 1. I1 0, I0 1. In this cell, what is output here? 0. Okay, and next I3 is 0, I2 is 0. And next I1 is 1 and I0 is X. X means don't care. Don't care means either 0 or 1. Okay, I3, I2. These are 2, 0, 0. And next I1 is 1. Okay, in these two cells, in this case 0, 0. What is output here? 1. So these cells are filled with 1. Okay, and next I3 is 0, I2 is 1. I3 is 0, I2 is 1. Observe this row. And next I1 is 1. I1 is 1 is here. Okay, and this I0 is X. X means don't get condition. That is 0 or 1. In this row is 1. Okay, sorry, this row is 0. I0, I3 is 0. Okay, and next I2 is 1. Here I0 and I1 both are x. So 0, 0 or 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. The output is 0. And next I3. I3 is 0. I2 is 1. I3 is 0. I2 is 1. And next I0, I1. In this case, say x is there. So 0, 0, 1, 1. In this case, all zeros. And next I3 is 1. I3 is 1 in this row. And I2 is x. X means either 0 or 1. And next I0, I1. Both inputs are don't care condition. The possibilities are 0, 0 or 0, 1 or 1, 1 and 1, 0. These all rows are 1 is the output. Here and auto grouping here. Here the first group is this one. First group. What is the equation here? 1, 1, 1, 0. The common variable is I3. And next group is these 2, 3 and 6, 7. And this is considering second group. What is the equation here? 0, 0, 1, 0. 0 is the common variable. That is essentially I2 bar. And next column wise 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1 is the common variable. That is I1. And write down the equation for y1. y1 equal to first group is I3 plus next I1 I2 bar. This is the y1 equation, y0 equation. First write down the y0 equation is I2 plus I3 and y1 equal to I3 plus I1 I2 bar. First we draw the logic diagram. Logic diagram for 4x2 priority encoder. Okay, here 4x2 priority encoder. Here we are using the 4 inputs. First we draw the 4 inputs I2, I1 and I0. In Boolean equation, these are the output equation. Here I2 bar is there, so we draw the NOT gate also. And next I3, I1. These are the inputs. Next draw the, here we are using the LOR logic. I2, I3. I2, I3. These are the OR gate function. The output is Y0. And next Y1 output is I3. And next I1. Next I2 bar. Bar is indicated NOT gate. And this I1 into I2 bar, this is AND gate. You draw the AND gate and next connected with OR logic. And this is Y1. 2 outputs and 4 inputs. This is overall about the 4x2 priority encoder.